Hi guys, on today's video, I want to talk about pattern making essentials for workroom. Pattern making essentials for workroom. What are pattern making essentials? Pattern making essentials are those stuff you use in drafting your patterns. Those stuff that are necessary to have as a fashion designer. As a fashion designer and as a pattern maker, you have some things you use to make your work easy. What are those things? What are the essentials? Number one, we have white paper. We have pattern paper. We have pattern paper number one. The pattern paper can be either white or brown. So pattern papers can be either what? White or brown pattern paper. So example of pattern paper, we have this. This is our pattern paper. This is our white pattern paper. You can either have white or brown pattern paper. For me, I like using my white pattern paper because I see clearly using the white pattern paper. But you can get brown pattern paper if you choose to. But the pattern paper is either white or brown. I've not seen other colors of pattern paper. It's just these both colors I've seen. So number two essential is your pins. Pins are part of drafting essentials. So pins. So examples of the pin is this one with ball. These are pins and is essential for drafting your patterns. So number three, so the pins, you can either get any pin of your choice, but this is what I use. So you can either get any pin of your choice. The normal office pin is still okay for your drafting essentials. So this is what I use. I still use office pin if I want to use office pin, but this is what I use. Number three is our pin holder. So I have this. It's magnetic to hold my pin. It's either I use the normal pin cushion here, the one they tie like band, or you use this one. So I go with this one. So this is for my pin. It's magnetic. It magnets my pins. So I have pin cushion, pin holder. So number three is pin holder. Number four is our tape. Number four is our tape, our measuring tape. So let me use measuring tape. So number four is my measurement tape or measuring tape. Number five is my rulers. My rulers. Number five is my rulers is number five. We have different types of ruler. We have our straight ruler, which is this, and our pattern master. So this is called a pattern master. It has a curve ruler, it has here, and it has a straight part. So this is a pattern master. So examples of ruler is we have straight ruler, we have pattern master, we have curve rulers, and we have L rulers. So these are called L rulers. L rulers. This is called L rulers. Why is it called L rulers? It's because it has L shape. It has L shape, and these are L rulers. So we have L rulers, L rulers. So this is called an L rulers. So we have L ruler, we have pattern master, hip curve. This is our curve ruler. You can either use this for curving your, when you're making your trouser, you can either use this for curving the parts on making on your trouser block. So these are called hip curve. This is called hip curve, and we have our straight ruler. This is our straight ruler. Then we have, this is my armhole ruler. So this is my armhole ruler. It's used in curving your armpit part. If you're drafting your patterns, these are for armholes. So we have armhole rulers, and we have um, number 6 of our pattern essentials. We have seam ripper. We have seam ripper. What are seam rippers? What is it used for? Seam ripper is used for losing your seam. If you make mistake while sewing, instead of you to use razor to start ripping your seam, what you use to rip your seam is seam ripper. That is our for our number 6. Our number 6 is seam ripper. So you use seam ripper in ripping your seams. Then number seven, we have our scissors. So type of scissors, we have our paper scissors, and we have our fabric scissors. You'll be asking, why do we need 2 scissors? Well, the scissors we use in cutting our papers, we don't use that same scissors for fabric. So we have two scissors. We have the blunt scissors for cutting paper, and we use our sharp scissors for our fabric. Then the next one is our pattern essential, is our tracing wheel. This is called tracing wheel. This is tracing wheel. Tracing wheel. So number 8 is, so this is used in tracing our patterns. So in case you want to transfer your master pattern to another pattern, so you use this tracing wheel to trace out your patterns. So instead of you, every time you want to work, you draw another pattern. You always have a master pattern, then you get your tracing wheel. You use your master pattern in tracing your master pattern to the pattern you want to work on. So this is called a tracing wheel. This is used in notching our patterns. So we have tailor chalk. So we have tailor chalk or fabric pen. It's either you use your fabric pen or you use your tailor chalk. So a lot of people, me, I like using my fabric pen because by the time I iron, everything is off. So tailor chalk or fabric pen to stop at number 10 for our pattern making essentials for our workroom. So number 1, I will go right it back again. I said our white paper, and number 2, our pins. Number 3, our pin holder. Number 4, our measuring tape. Number 5, our rulers. We have different types of ruler. We have straight ruler, pattern master, curve ruler, L ruler, hip curve, armhole ruler. Then number 6, we have our seam ripper. Then number 7, we have our scissors. We have 2 types of scissors, a paper scissors and a fabric scissors. Then number 8, we have our tracing wheel. Number 9, we have our notcher. And number 10, we have our fabric pen. So either use our fabric pen or use fabric marker, or use your tailor chalk. So go and this is all for my pattern drafting essentials. So I would like you to make your research and see other pattern drafting essentials, and don't forget to comment on the comment section with other ones that we didn't include in our classes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels. My name is Gloria, the creative director of Giovanna Fashion Academy. See you next time, and thank you. Bye bye.